We gonna test this game, okay? We gonna go to the tornado. Using, I don't know. I forgot about this name and this car. Wait, I gonna find some tornado. Sorry about that. Not good at driving. Yeah, I spotted a tornado. Okay. This game is real, bro. I I got. I think me. I think myself out of boredom, and I am in the private server. Hindi ka na find tornado. Please, can skip this. You are want or not. Okay, guys, we gonna go and spot tornadoes. This is. Well, okay. Where's the tornado? Where's the tornado? Oh, I don't like this. Where's the tornado? Guys, ay, sorry about that. I am from Philippines. I'm not one Tagalog. I cannot speak. I can speak Tagalog. Okay, some from Philippines. Okay. Here we go. We're gonna test here the different car. Okay. Okay, not cool. It's not working. Sorry about the end. Okay. Bye bye. I cannot use everything.